After holding on to the throne for years, Samsung faced a major challenge last year in the foldable phones space. While the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was a much improved flip-style phone, it was overshadowed by the Motorola Razr Plus 2023. Not surprisingly, Samsung's back to challenge its rival with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. There are significant upgrades worth pointing out, like its new 50-megapixel main camera, more durable design, and more functional flex window display. In typical fashion, the foldable phone is also graced with many of the same Galaxy AI features I fell in love with in my Galaxy S24 Ultra review, along with a few new ones I haven't been seen before. Plus, there is a huge emphasis on personalization to help the phone feel like it's truly yours. Even with all these upgrades, it's going to take a lot to convince people to shell out $100 more for this new model. In my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 hands-on review, I will explain everything that's new and cool, and hopefully give you insights into whether the phone's $1,099 starting cost is worth it. No one wants to see a price hike, but that's the reality here, as the Galaxy Z Flip 6 starting price goes up to $1,099. The entry-level model comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. I am on the fence about the higher price, but the new Flip will really need to prove its worth than Motorola held its latest Razr to the same $999 cost as before. If you need more storage on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, there is a 512GB option, but that will cost you extra, of course. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 are available starting today, July 10, with the phone available at Amazon, Best Buy, Samsung.com, and other wireless carriers starting on July 24. There are a total of 4 main color options. You can pick silver shadow, yellow, blue, and mint. Meanwhile, there are 3 additional Samsung.com exclusive colors: crafted black, white, and peach. I am more stoked about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 than the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, especially if its camera performance ends up being significantly better. At the same time, I really like all the new Galaxy AI features because many of them help to make the phone look more customizable than ever before. However, I can't overlook that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 now commands a higher $1,099 cost. That's tough to swallow, more so when Motorola ended keeping the Razr Plus at $999. All told, Samsung's new flip phone really needs to hit it out of the park to convince people they should choose the Galaxy Z Flip 6. We will find out how well it pulls that off after more testing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.